In this video we'll share 5 best foods for improving your eyesight. Our eyes are complex, intricate organs that play a vital role in how we perceive the world. But have you ever wondered about the health of your eyes? What if we told you that the food you eat could significantly influence your eyesight? Yes, it's true. Diet and nutrition play a crucial role in maintaining and even improving our eye health. This video will explore the fascinating connection between certain foods and their potential to boost your eyesight. Now let's unravel the mystery of how certain foods can help improve your eyesight. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. First up on our list is our longtime friend, the carrot. The humble carrot is more than just a crunchy snack, it's a powerhouse of nutrients, particularly beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant that gives carrots their vibrant orange color. But that's not all. Once inside your body, beta-carotene transforms into something even more special, vitamin A. Now let's talk about why vitamin A is so vital for your eyes. This essential nutrient is a key player in maintaining the health of your eyes. It's instrumental in the production of rhodopsin, a protein that absorbs light in the retina, helping you see in low-light conditions. Moreover, vitamin A supports the functioning of the cornea, the clear front surface of your eye. A deficiency in vitamin A could lead to a number of eye ailments, including night blindness and dry eyes. In severe cases, it could even lead to blindness. But don't worry, incorporating carrots into your diet can help ensure your body gets enough vitamin A. You can enjoy them in a variety of ways: raw in a salad, cooked in a soup, or even juiced for a refreshing drink. However you choose to have them, just remember that your body needs fat to absorb vitamin A. So don't shy away from pairing your carrots with a healthy fat like olive oil or avocados. In the end, it's not just about seeing the world, but seeing it clearly and healthily. And carrots, with their abundance of beta-carotene and vitamin A, can play a significant role in that. Remember, a carrot a day can surely help keep the eye doctor away. Next up, we have the champions of the vegetable kingdom, green leafy vegetables. These superheroes of nutrition are packed with 2 vital antioxidants known as lutein and zeaxanthin. Let's dive into the science a bit. You see, our eyes are constantly exposed to light, and over time, this can cause oxidative damage. This is where lutein and zeaxanthin come into play. They're like the bodyguards of your eyeballs, absorbing harmful light and protecting your eyes from oxidative damage. Not to mention, these antioxidants also play a significant role in preventing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Age-related macular degeneration is a common eye condition that often affects people over the age of 60, leading to blurred or reduced central vision. On the other hand, cataracts cloud the clear lens of your eyes, which can make seeing a bit like looking through a foggy window. So, how do lutein and zeaxanthin help? Well, research suggests that these antioxidants reduce the risk of these conditions by improving the health of your macula, the part of your eye responsible for central vision. Now, you might be wondering where you can get these eye-protecting antioxidants. Well, green leafy vegetables are your best bet. Foods like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in both lutein and zeaxanthin. In fact, just 1 cup of cooked spinach has about 20 milligrams of lutein and zeaxanthin. So don't forget to include a good serving of greens in your diet. Your eyes will thank you. Swimming into our list next is fish, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal with these fatty acids? Well, they play a crucial role in visual development and the health of the retina, the part of your eye that converts light into brain signals, essentially allowing us to see. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly those found in fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, contribute to the structural integrity of the retina's cell membranes. They help maintain the fluidity of the cell membranes, which is vital for the proper function of the retina's light-sensitive photoreceptor cells. But it doesn't stop there. Studies have shown that regular consumption of fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help lower the risk of macular degeneration. This age-related condition is one of the leading causes of vision loss, and it affects the central part of the retina, the macula. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help prevent the onset of this condition, making fish a great ally for maintaining good eye health. So whether it's sushi for lunch, grilled salmon for dinner, or even a tuna sandwich, adding more fish to your meals can provide your eyes with the nutrients they need. With every bite, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also caring for your vision. Including fish in your diet can definitely give your eye health a boost. Adding a burst of color to our list are orange and red fruits and vegetables. These vibrant foods are not just pleasing to the eye, but they are also packed with essential nutrients that can help maintain and improve your eye health. They are particularly high in vitamin C and bioflavonoids. Now you might be wondering, what are bioflavonoids? Well, they are powerful antioxidants that work in tandem with vitamin C to help maintain the health of the blood vessels in our eyes. These antioxidants play a crucial role in combating the damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals, if left unchecked, can cause a range of health issues, including degenerative eye conditions. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to fill your cart with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Think tomatoes, strawberries, oranges, and bell peppers. Remember, vibrant is not just for your plate, but for your eye health as well. Colorful fruits and vegetables are not just a treat for the eyes, but also for your eye health. And there you have it, 5 fantastic foods that can help improve your eyesight. Let's recap. Carrots packed with beta-carotene and vitamin A, green leafy vegetables rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, fish abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, and orange and red fruits and vegetables loaded with vitamin C and bioflavonoids. But remember, these foods are not magic bullets. A balanced diet is crucial for overall health, including your eyes. Did you find this video useful? Let us know in the comments below. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to detox from sugar and learn how to curb your sugar cravings, watch the video on your screen next. Remember, your eyes are a reflection of your overall health, so keep them sparkling with a nutrient-rich diet. Finally, remember to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. It can be your companion and accountability partner on your journey to better health.